Alright guys, so today's my first vlog. I don't know how it's gonna go. I've never done it. I don't have the camera stuff. I don't have the mic I ordered, so I don't know how well the internal mic is gonna do. It's like 8:20 right now. I don't know how the settings are on this camera. Don't care. I'll fix it. But me and my wife are making a trip to my mom's. We're gonna go visit her, gonna go do some fun things, maybe some axe throwing, kart racing, I don't know. So yeah, it's 8:20 right now, so we're just gonna find some stuff to do, so whenever she's ready we'll leave. So yeah, I hope this is okay. This is the camera I use to stream, so it's something different. Thank God I got 3 spare batteries. But I'm gonna try to see what I can do for my first vlog, guys. I don't know how well it's gonna do. We'll see. So I'll see you in the car. So yeah.
I like my lashes, look they cute.
Yeah. So we were gonna stop at Biscuitville for breakfast. Line was packed. Wanted Bojangles. Line was packed to the road. So now we're at
McDonald's.
good old Mickey. So yeah, we're gonna get our food and then head out so we can finally get there.
Welcome to McDonald's. I'm gonna take your order.
Yeah, can I get a gravy biscuit, hash brown, and a McChicken?
Gravy biscuit, hash brown, and McChicken.
Yes, sir.
Will that be all?
That'll be it.
Yours.
Sure.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not hungry?
Not right now. I got a chicken biscuit and she got a gravy biscuit.
But it smells like dog food. So I'm not.
But they didn't give her a fork, so I had to ask my sister to get a fork.
Yeah.
So
There he is.
don't crush my food.
You just did.
So,
Just did. Get out and get your fork.
fuck.
Yeah.
Alright, let me get my fork. Hey! Don't be doing this.
Hey,
I am.
Hell yeah, brother.
Alright. Back up so I can pull out first. Alright.
falling.
Alright, so him over here burning rubber, you smell it?
Yeah. Alright. Camera away.
Alright, so we're gonna just head out. I'll give you guys some scenery
I can hear the ice.
of the drive, so yeah. did the car racing, we couldn't find the axe throw-in, but my sister's boyfriend kind of lapped me both races we had. But now we're gonna go to the house, chill out. So later.